What's up, everyone? Scott from Scott's Top Tips. Hey, I was walking through Home Depot, did an impulse buy. Saw this for between $70, $80, depending if you get a discount. So I'm gonna unbox this, we're gonna check it out. One thing I like about this is that it is 18 volts. And that goes along with my other kit. Look at my other video, but I have all of the Ryobi overall kit. And I got the batteries that go with this. So let's check this out. All right, here we go. We can open this right here. Nice. That was just a protection. Oh, sweet. Totally lightweight. Yeah, that's nice. All right, I mean, it's simple. I'm gonna try it out first, on and off. This is probably the disconnect. It's also for wet and dry. So let's see, I can unlock it. There you go. Put it back in, lock it down against these two little brackets right there. Oops. There it is. So I'm just going to press this little lip right here down with this and just rotate it up. There it is. All right, let's try it out. Just take this. What also comes with these little adapters here for the hard to reach places. So we're going to try those out because down in the crevices and in the corners it's. And we also have a little dust brush here. There's the adapter. And I want this one to go over it. Now it's angled down so you can get into the crevices. So let's try it out. Now we're going to try the brush because a lot of the stuff is stuck in the carpet and it just can't get easily picked up. So we're going to put that on and help scrape it out of there and then suck it up. So what do I think? I think it works extremely great. The main thing, especially in my carpet, and we haven't vacuumed in a while, is this brush here. So you can just scrape up, kind of like an actual vacuum cleaner. It has the bristles. So that, and then everything's easily to take out and remove and exchange. And of course, look at all the junk that it puts in there. So yeah, totally happy with all of this. And again, this is just part of the whole Ryobi kit for homeowners. Obviously, if you're a contractor, there's probably other tools, you know, that you want to leverage more for your trade. But if you're a homeowner, this works extremely well. So Scott from Scott's Top Tips. We'll see you on the next one.